Hey everyone, welcome back to Dreams and Dollars. I'm Sean from Mountain Bay Enterprises, and today we're breaking down real estate for beginners, step by step, in simple, easy-to-understand language. If you've ever wondered how people build wealth through real estate, or where to even start, this video is for you. Stick around until the end. I'll share a few beginner-friendly tips that can help you take your first step toward financial freedom. Let's start with the basics. Real estate simply means property, land, or anything built on it. That could be a house, an apartment building, a commercial space, or even just vacant land. When people talk about investing in real estate, they're basically talking about buying property that can grow in value or generate income. There are two main ways to make money in real estate: buying and holding, meaning you rent it out and earn monthly cash flow. Buying and selling, also known as flipping, where you fix it up and sell it for a profit. Now you might be thinking, why invest in real estate instead of just saving or investing in the stock market? Here's why real estate stands out. It's a tangible asset, something you can see, touch, and improve. It builds equity, meaning over time you own more of the property. You can earn passive income through rent. Property values usually go up over time, especially in growing areas. And one of the best parts, you don't need to be rich to start. Many beginners begin small, sometimes by house hacking, living in one part of a property and renting out the other to help pay the mortgage. Let's talk about the different types of real estate you can get into as a beginner. Residential real estate. This includes single-family homes, duplexes, and small apartments. Great for first-time investors. Commercial real estate. Think office buildings, retail stores, or warehouses. Vacant land. You can buy land and hold it until it appreciates or develop it for profit. Real estate investment trusts, REITs. If you don't want to buy property directly, you can invest in REITs, which are like stocks that own income-producing properties. For most beginners, residential real estate is the easiest place to start. Okay, so how do you actually start? Here's the step-by-step roadmap. Step 1. Learn your market. Start local. Understand what areas are growing, what homes are selling for, and where people are moving. Step 2. Check your finances. You'll need a solid credit score, some savings for a down payment, and enough income to cover expenses. Step 3. Get pre-approved. Talk to a lender so you know how much you can afford before you start shopping. Step 4. Build a team. This includes a real estate agent, a lender, maybe an inspector, and later, a property manager. Step 5. Take action. Don't wait for the perfect time. There's always a reason not to start, but learning while doing is the fastest path to success. At Mountain Bay Enterprises, we help new investors connect with real estate opportunities and surplus funds. So if you're just starting out, visit surplusfundsfinders.net to learn more. Now, let's go over some common beginner mistakes to avoid. Overpaying for a property. Always do your research and compare prices in the area. Skipping the inspection. You could miss serious repair issues. Underestimating expenses. Property taxes, insurance, maintenance, and vacancies all add up. Letting fear stop you. Many people never start because they're scared of making mistakes, but the only way to learn is to get in the game. Real estate is a long game. You don't need to flip 10 houses a year to build wealth. Start with one property. Learn how it works. Then, use the profits or equity to invest in your next one. Over time, you'll build multiple streams of income. And that's how financial freedom begins. And remember, you're not just buying property. You're building a foundation for freedom, security, and legacy. If this video helped you understand the basics of real estate, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to Dreams and Dollars, and share it with a friend who wants to start investing too. You can follow me on Instagram, Mountain Bay Enterprises, for daily real estate and business tips. And visit surplusfundsfinders.net to learn more about how Mountain Bay Enterprises can help you build your real estate journey. I'm Sean. Thanks for watching Dreams and Dollars. Keep chasing your dreams and turning them into dollars. See you in the next one.